Welcome to Mission Inquiry. My name's Lindsay, but for the missions, my avatar's name is Firewalker. Mission Inquiry is a board to guide you through how to do great inquiry projects. You can see the missions are broken into 9 activities. You begin by getting ready. For the next 2 missions, you spend time learning and creating essential questions and topics to inquire about. Then you form collaborative teams, or you can do individual projects. There is a research mission where you will learn about effective research strategies, a presentation mission to look at a variety of ways that you can make your learning visible, and a mission to help you figure out in advance what to do if you get stuck. There's an optional challenge mission for you students who finish early and are looking for things to do. And finally, an assessment mission where you will do a self-reflection and peer assessment for each of your teammates. You might have noticed the empty flag spot after each mission. This is where you earn your flag of achievement. You will be assessed on a scale using beginning, developing, applying, and extending. This is what a flag looks like. Let's say you got applying for mission 1. This is how your game board would look. Your teacher might be using Google Classroom. If that's the case, you just need to regularly check your class assignments. If you are not using Google Classroom, your teacher will send you a copy of the game board. The first thing you need to do is copy, rename, and share it. Let's go over how that would look. First, check your Learn68 or Gmail account for the invitation to open the game board. Go ahead and open it. Go up to the File tab and drop down to Make a Copy. Where it says Copy Of, you want to click at the end of that spot and backspace. Then rename it with your first name and last initial. This will change the name in the top left-hand corner. The last part is to remember to share it with your teacher. To do that, click on the Share button in the top right-hand corner. Your teacher will give you the email to write here. Make sure the teacher is able to comment on your work by clicking here and selecting the comment icon. Then select Send. On your game board, each mission is linked to a mission doc. You simply click on the link, but in order to be able to work on it, remember, you need to first make a copy, rename it, and then share it with your teacher. Let's look at Brad's mission 1. You can see that he has renamed his doc at the top, and he has shared it with me. I can now see what he was writing and give him comments. Brad has created his avatar and given himself a name. At the right-hand side, you see a comment. After looking at Brad's work, I've given him a comment asking him to relook at his answer. When you see a comment, you can reply back by clicking on the comment box and typing. Then press Reply. You can also begin your own comment. Let's say you don't understand something. Simply highlight the section you don't understand by left-clicking and dragging your mouse over. That will give you the comment icon. Type your question here, and your teacher will see it and respond. When you look at the bottom of each mission, you are going to find an evaluation rubric link. Follow the link by double-clicking, and that will take you to a color-coded rubric. This is the rubric your teacher will assess your mission from and determine the flag color for your personal game board. When you come to mission number 9, your teacher will ask you to complete some type of assessment. It may be a self and/or peer assessment if you worked in a group. Your teacher will share the rubrics with you. Again, you need to remember the 3 words: copy, rename, and share. To fill these out, simply left-click, dragging your mouse over to highlight, come up to the A button, choose to highlight, and select a color. For the peer assessment, you will need to copy as many rubrics as you have in your group and write the name for each member at the top. So for example, if there are 3 members in my group, I would complete this process 3 times, each time renaming and writing a different group member at the top of the rubric. If you are required to do one of the 2 stars and wish evaluation, simply reflect on the inquiry process, thinking of areas you felt really proud of yourself or worked extra hard. Your wish is setting a goal for something you feel you could use some extra time and attention to improve. Your teacher might fill one out for you too. If you have any questions about anything you have seen so far, please make sure you talk to your teacher. I hope you have some fantastic inquiries.